So guys, last video I made a video where I made the sky thing 2 times bigger, and yeah, we did not meet the requirements for it to be bigger like that. Like, we got only 10 likes and 354 views on, and because of that, guys, I did not make it 3 times bigger than the original, guys. I'm really sorry, but I made it 7 times bigger than the original. And also, why are you guys looking at me so weird? Wait, why am I in super casual? And 2, why am I Frank? Bruh, Frank, explain this! So yeah, guys, without any further things to do, let's just get into it. Okay, guys, before I show you the final result, actually, yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I know, guys, it's like massive, like literally massiver than the meme. And now, guys, let's just get up it. And I'm not using thrusters for extra fun. So now let's go. First, let's look at the view from here. Look at the view!
Oh
We
my
are
god!
like on the Empire State Building. Like, bruh. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's go down. Well, guys, I think that was much better than last time, or the last 2 times. Subscribe, 6, 7, and also don't miss the comments falling down. Subscribe. 6, 7.